when free and open debate is replaced with violence or threats. We must not lose our right and our responsibility to speak up against abuses of authority. Power in America has always been cyclical. One time one party is in power and the next moment another. That's why we must all protect it all of the time, not just when it's convenient for you. Everyone must defend the ability of our minority, Republican or Democrat, to question and protest, because at some point you will need that right. That's why an attack on one person's freedom is an attack on all of us. And that is exactly what Donald Trump is doing, attacking all of our rights. Donald Trump and his cronies are now labeling those who disagree with them terrorists. Only they will decide what is hateful.